Good morning, this is Phil with Kooima Ag in Rock Valley, Iowa. It's a beautiful August morning and I'd like to showcase the spouts that we have in stock for your harvest season. I'm standing by the welded assemblies here. These are welded and painted. These are 6,000 series 200 millimeter spouts. And the next step is they're going to be assembled in our plant. And I want you to know we have spouts in stock, ready for delivery with the liners ready to go here at Kooima Ag. Here's an example of a nice 7,000 series replacement John Deere spout. It's a low arch, it's a specialty spout. The customer's coming to pick this one up right at our plant in Rock Valley. We appreciate that. When the customers drive right to our plant, we're conveniently located on Highway 18, close to the intersection of Interstate 90 and Interstate 29. It's easy pickup. The customer is going to pick this one up today, ready to go for installation. Here's a partial look at our inventory at Kooima Ag. A nice selection of spouts, high arch, low arch, 6,000, 7,000, 5,000 John Deere spouts, replacements in stock, ready to ship with the wear plates and backing plates installed, ready to mount on your cutters this fall should you need them. We have them in stock. Showcasing one of the spouts being assembled today. This is a very nice 200 millimeter wide replacement spout for a John Deere 6000. Notice the nice stainless steel liners that are bolt in. That's one of the advantages of a Kooima spout. Bolt in liners. It's ready to go, ready to install. All you have to do is mount it to your machine. So should you need one, we have these in stock at Kooima Ag.